unleashing the power of mushroom coffee, health benefits, production, and comparison to regular coffee. A comprehensive guide to mushroom coffee, including its rising popularity, production process, health benefits, popular brands, comparison with regular coffee, and step-by-step instructions for making it at home. Mushroom coffee has gained popularity due to the growing interest in functional foods and beverages. This unique blend of regular coffee and medicinal mushroom extracts has historical roots in Asian countries and Finland, where it has been consumed for its potential health benefits. The rising consumer interest in functional foods and beverages is fueled by a desire for products that offer more than just basic nutrition. People are increasingly seeking out natural ingredients that may provide additional health benefits beyond traditional foods and drinks. Mushroom coffee fits into this trend as it offers the potential advantages of both coffee and medicinal mushrooms, making it an appealing choice for those looking to enhance their daily coffee routine with added wellness benefits. Furthermore, the historical roots of mushroom coffee in Asian countries and Finland contribute to its appeal. In these regions, mushrooms have been traditionally used for their potential health-boosting properties. As this practice gains global attention, mushroom coffee has emerged as a modern way to harness the potential benefits of these medicinal fungi while enjoying a familiar and beloved beverage like coffee, making it an intriguing option for health-conscious consumers seeking innovative ways to support their well-being. Production of mushroom coffee. The process of making mushroom coffee is quite fascinating. It starts with the dehydrating and grinding of medicinal mushroom extracts into a fine powder. These mushrooms, such as reishi, chaga, lion's mane, and cordyceps, have long been celebrated for their potential health benefits and are now being incorporated into this innovative beverage. Once the mushroom powder is ready, it is then carefully mixed with ground coffee beans to create the unique mushroom coffee blend. For example, the popular Four Sigmatic mushroom instant coffee is created by blending organic lion's mane mushroom powder, known for its cognitive benefits, and organic chaga mushroom, high in antioxidants and supportive of the immune system, with ground coffee beans. This meticulous process results in a product that not only provides a morning boost, but also long-term health benefits, making it an appealing choice for those seeking functional foods and beverages. The careful combination of these ingredients not only contributes to the distinctive taste and aroma of mushroom coffee, but also offers potential health benefits, making it a noteworthy addition to the coffee world. Health benefits of mushroom coffee. Mushroom coffee is gaining popularity due to its potential health benefits, making it an attractive alternative to traditional coffee. The energy-boosting and focus-sharpening properties of mushroom extracts can provide a natural and sustained source of energy throughout the day, without the jitters or crash often associated with high caffeine consumption. For example, lion's mane mushroom, commonly found in mushroom coffee blends, has been linked to cognitive benefits, including improved focus and mental clarity. Moreover, the lower caffeine content in mushroom coffee compared to regular coffee makes it a favorable option for individuals who are sensitive to caffeine or those seeking to reduce their overall caffeine consumption. This reduced caffeine content can help prevent the overstimulation of the central nervous system, which can lead to anxiety and disrupted sleep patterns. As a result, mushroom coffee is often considered a gentler alternative for individuals looking to manage their caffeine intake while still enjoying a warm and satisfying beverage. In addition to the focus sharpening and lower caffeine content, mushroom coffee may also provide additional health benefits due to the presence of specific mushroom varieties. For example, chaga mushroom, another common ingredient in mushroom coffee, is rich in antioxidants and is believed to support the immune system, potentially offering long-term health advantages to regular consumers of mushroom coffee. Mushroom coffee versus regular coffee. When comparing mushroom coffee to regular coffee, it's essential to consider the differences in taste, aroma, and caffeine content. Mushroom coffee blends provide a distinct earthy flavor profile, influenced by the medicinal mushroom extracts, and contain lower caffeine levels than traditional coffee, offering a potential alternative for individuals seeking a milder stimulant effect. In terms of aroma, mushroom coffee often emits a subtle earthy scent, which is a departure from the bold and robust aroma associated with regular coffee. This unique aroma can be attributed to the presence of mushroom extracts in the blend, adding a layer of complexity to the overall olfactory experience. Furthermore, the caffeine content in mushroom coffee differs from that of regular coffee. While mushroom coffee contains less caffeine than traditional coffee, it still offers a moderate caffeine boost, making it suitable for individuals looking to reduce their caffeine intake without completely forgoing the stimulating effects of coffee. This distinction is particularly important for those who are sensitive to caffeine or are seeking a more balanced and sustained energy boost throughout the day. Making mushroom coffee at home. Creating your own mushroom coffee at home is a rewarding and straightforward process that allows you to tailor the blend to your liking and enjoy the benefits of this unique beverage. To make mushroom coffee, you can start by gathering your favorite ground coffee beans and medicinal mushroom extracts, such as Reishi, Chaga, or lion's mane, which are commonly used in commercial mushroom coffee blends. Begin by dehydrating and grinding the mushroom extracts into a fine powder, ensuring that the powder is finely ground for optimal blending with the coffee. Next, you can mix the mushroom powder with your preferred ground coffee beans in the desired proportions. The ratio of mushroom powder to coffee beans can be adjusted based on personal taste preferences and desired potency. For instance, if you prefer a milder mushroom flavor, you can start with a smaller amount of mushroom powder and gradually increase the quantity until you achieve the desired balance of flavors. This flexibility in creating your own mushroom coffee blend at home allows you to experiment with different mushroom varieties and coffee bean types to find the perfect combination that suits your palate and provides the desired health benefits. By making mushroom coffee at home, you have the freedom to customize the blend according to your unique taste and health requirements. Additionally, preparing mushroom coffee in your own kitchen gives you full control over the quality and sourcing of the ingredients, ensuring a fresh and personalized beverage that aligns with your preferences. This process also allows you to savor the warm, earthy aroma of freshly brewed mushroom coffee while benefiting from the energy-boosting and focus-sharpening properties of the medicinal mushrooms.